Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Psychology Facts by Lara. So students, in today's video we are going to discuss 100 solved MCQs on the topic schizophrenia spectrum and other psychotic disorders. So where the explanation will be required, I will explain the MCQs as well. So let's move towards the MCQs. So the number one MCQ is about -% of people in USA have schizophrenia. The right option is about 1% of people in USA have schizophrenia. Number 2. How many disorders are present in schizophrenia spectrum and other psychotic disorders? The right option is 13. So there are 13 disorders that comes under the category of schizophrenia spectrum and psychotic disorders. And these are, number 1 is schizotypal disorder. As schizotypal is mentioned in under the cluster of personality disorders, but logically it comes under the category of schizophrenia spectrum, and in DSM it is also mentioned that it is the part of, or it is a disorder of schizophrenia spectrum and other psychotic disorders. So number 2 is delusional disorder, number 3 brief psychotic disorder, number 4 schizophreniform disorder, number 5 schizophrenia disorder, number 6 schizoaffective disorder, and specified Rs with bipolar and depressive type. Number 7 is substance medication induced psychotic disorder. Number 8 psychotic disorder due to another medical condition, and specifiers are hallucination and with delusion. Number 9 catatonia associated with another mental disorder, and number 10 catatonia associated with another medical condition. Number 11 unspecified catatonia. Number 12 other specified schizophrenia spectrum and psychotic disorder, and number 13 unspecified schizophrenia spectrum and psychotic disorder. Number 3 the most common hallucination is hearing voices. Number 4 the first symptom of schizophrenia is all of above. All these are the symptoms of schizophrenia. These include irrational statements, excessive crying, and anger outburst. At the start of initial stage of schizophrenia indicates all these symptoms. Number 5. The onset of schizophrenia in females starts between 20s to 30s. Number 6. Who has more severe symptoms at the onset of schizophrenia? The right option is men. Men have more severe symptoms at the onset of schizophrenia. Number 7. Many schizophrenics believe that dash ease their symptoms. Many schizophrenics believe that smoking ease their symptoms. Number 8. Schizophrenia is mental disorder that affect. The right option is all of these. Schizophrenia affects thought, perception, and judgment. Number 9. Positive schizophrenia include. The right option is both A and B. Positive schizophrenia include hallucinations, delusions, disorganized thought, speech, and behavior. So the right option is D. Number 10. Group of drugs that treat schizophrenia are known as antipsychotic drugs. Number 11. In dash delusion, a person strongly believes that external forces, person, and institution is trying to harm him or her. So the right option is persecutory. It's a persecutory illusion in which person thinks that someone is trying to harm him, any agency, any person, or any forces are chasing him and trying to harm him. Number 12. What is social withdrawal? The right option is loss of interest in mixing with other people is known as social withdrawal. When person don't want to interact with other and lost interest in mixing with other people, interacting with other people. Number 13. The word schizophrenia literally means split mind. Number 14. If you have an identical twin with a schizophrenia disorder, you have approximately -% chances of having this disorder as well. The right option is 50% chances of having this disorder as well. Number 15. A delusion involving a thought broadcasting involves the individual believing that thoughts are escaping from a mind and can be read by others. So there are different types of delusions that a person face in schizophrenia and different psychotic disorders. First of all, delusion is a false belief, false perception that a person made, and these all delusions are basically not related to reality, and person strongly believe that without having proper evidences. So these delusions are unshakable and cannot be altered. So in broadcasting delusion, person think that everybody can read his mind and all the thoughts that comes in the mind are escaping from the mind. Number 16. Which of the following is not included in DSM criteria? The right option is geriatric disorder. Number 17. Which evidence suggests that dopamine plays an important role in schizophrenia? The right option is all of these. So, antipsychotic medications act by reducing dopamine. Giving excessive dopamine dose can lead to schizophrenic symptoms in patients with Parkinson's disease, and amphetamines work by increasing dopamine, and high dose can cause schizophrenic-like symptoms. So all these evidences are clear, and that indicates that dopamine plays an important role in schizophrenia. So the right option is option D, all of these. Number 18. The influential schizophrenic theory given by Uta Frith in 1992 is known as theory of mind, and this was the first and foremost important and influential schizophrenic theory. Number 19. Frontline treatment of schizophrenic patient is antipsychotic drugs, because other than that none of the therapy, none of the training would work. First and foremost priority for the schizophrenic patients is antipsychotic drugs. Number 20. Dash refers to a decrease in or lack of normal emotions and behaviors, such as having a flattened affect and lack of motivation. The right option is negative symptoms. Number 21. Worldwide prevalence of schizophrenia is about 1%. Number 22. Dash include delusions, hallucinations, disorganized thinking and speech, and bizarre, inappropriate motor behavior including catatonia. Psychotic symptoms. Number 23. Although specific causes of schizophrenia is unknown, but it has biological basis, which of the following statement is true? The right option is all of these. Alteration in brain structure, for example, enlarged cerebral ventricles, thinning of the cortex, decreased size of interior hippocampus and other brain regions, and changes in neurochemistry, especially altered activity in markers of dopamine and glutamate transmission, and recently demonstrated genetic risk factors. So all these also indicate that there are biological bases of schizophrenia. So here the right option is D, all of these. Number 24. People who have a first degree relative with schizophrenia have about -% risk of developing disorder. The right option is 10 to 12% risk of developing disorder. Number 25. How many phases of schizophrenia are? So there are 5 phases of schizophrenia. Number 26. Impaired social competency, mild cognitive or perceptual disorganization, anhedonia, and general coping deficiencies are the symptoms of which phase? The right option is prodromal phase, and this is the first phase which indicates the symptoms of schizophrenia, where person lack in social competency and mild perceptual disorganization starts. He doesn't feel happiness in any activity, and deficiencies can be seen in general coping strategies. He cannot cope with different stressors or daily life stressors. So all these symptoms indicates the first phase, that is known as prodromal phase. Number 27. In DASH phase, subclinical symptoms may emerge, including withdrawal, isolation, irritability, suspiciousness, unusual thoughts, perceptual distortion, disorganization. Onset of overt schizophrenia, such as delusion and hallucinations, may be sudden over days or weeks or slow and insidious over years. So this phase is advanced prodromal phase, where all the symptoms are overt and prominent. Number 28. In DASH phase, symptoms are active, such as delusions, hallucinations, disorganized thinking, disorganized speech, bizarre and inappropriate motor behavior, including catatonia, that indicate loss of contact with reality and often at their worst. So, this phase is known as advanced prodromal phase. Number 29. In this phase, symptomatic periods may be episodic with identifiable exacerbations and remissions, or continuous functional deficits tend to be worsened. Exacerbations means state of problem increases, and remissions means sometimes person or overall symptoms decline. So this phase is known as middle phase. Number 30. The illness pattern may become established, but there is considerable variability. Disability may stabilize, worsen, or even diminish in this phase. This phase is known as late illness phase or residual phase. Number 31. Misinterpretation of perceptions or experiences in schizophrenia is known as delusions. So delusions are known as false, unshakable beliefs, and usually are the misinterpretation of perceptions and experiences. Number 32. Lack of interest in relationships is known as asociality. Number 33. Subtypes of schizophrenia are deficit and non-deficit type. Number 34. Patients with this subtype of schizophrenia have prominent negative symptoms and unaccounted for by other factors such as depression, anxiety, and understimulating environment, drug adverse effects. So, a subtype that have prominent negative symptoms is known as deficit type. Negative symptoms include anhedonia, alogia, etc. Number 35. In DASH, patients may have delusions, hallucinations, and thought disorders, but are relatively free of negative symptoms. So this type is known as non-deficit type. Number 36. Hallucinations, delusions, disorganized speech, catatonic behavior in schizophrenia is known as positive symptoms. And these symptoms are also known as psychotic symptoms. Number 37. About -% of patients with schizophrenia commit suicide. The right option is about 5 to 6% of patients with schizophrenia commit suicide. Number 38. RAISC stands for recovery after an initial schizophrenia episode. So this was a research project that was done in USA, and different states were involved in it, and with the help of community health workers, interventions were given to schizophrenic patients who were at initial or at the first phase of schizophrenia. So the results has indicated that if schizophrenic patients would be dealt according to proper interventions and psychopharmacology and psychotherapy, the results would be different, and there would be more chances of controlling all the symptoms of schizophrenia. Number 39. Zen hears voices during falling asleep of a group who calls him midnight to a street and order him to join their group. So what kind of hallucination is this? This is hypnagogic hallucination. When a person experiences any hallucination during falling asleep or during sleeping time, this hallucination would be known as hypnagogic hallucination. And when a person hears voices during wake time, this hallucination would be known as hypnopompic hallucination. So here the right option is option B, hypnagogic hallucination. Number 40. When a person cannot communicate to others properly and switch from one topic to other, this situation is known as derailment, or loose association. Number 41. When a speech becomes severely incomprehensible, means other person cannot comprehend what that person is saying. So overall, this situation is known as word salad. Number 42. When a person give unrelated answers to questions, this situation is defined as tangentiality. Previous two slides and this one comes under the category of disorganized speech, in which other person cannot comprehend what the person is saying. That is known as word salad, and in this situation, person usually give unrelated answers to questions. So here the right option is C. Number 43. The word psychosis mean the person cannot distinguish reality. Means the person cannot distinguish fantasy world and the reality. Number 44. What is the average onset age of schizophrenia? The right option is D. 20 years. Number 45. Roughly what population of people diagnosed with schizophrenia experience recurrent relapse and continued disability? The right option is about 75%. Number 46. Prognosis of schizophrenia is better in dash countries. Prognosis of schizophrenia is better in developing countries. Number 47. Which drug reduces negative symptoms of schizophrenia? The right option is D. None of these. Number 48. What is the meaning of word schizophrenia? As we have discussed earlier, schizophrenia means split of mind. It is also known as split of brain. Number 49. A patient named Ali said that a famous Pakistani actress Maya Ali loves him and both are in contact with each other. From which type of delusion a patient is suffering? A patient is psychotic, but he firmly believes that that girl is in love with him and he is still in contact with him. So this delusion is known as erotomanic delusion, in which person thinks that someone really loves him. Number 50. Aima discussed with her siblings that his husband is unfaithful and cheating her. She doesn't have any evidence, but she strictly believes that he is not loyal with her. She believes in his husband's disloyalty from last 2 months. So what kind of delusion is this? The right answer is jealous. Number 51. A type of delusion in which sufferer believes that they or the world has ceased to exist, that they are dead and their body parts and mind have vanished. So this type is known as nihilistic delusion, in which person think that any catastrophe would happen and their parts and their some parts of the body are dead, and even their mind is totally vanished. Number 52. A patient said in an interview that I have special relation with God, I am cousin of Tony Blair, and I have also Superman type powers. A patient's statements indicate which delusion type? The right option is grandiose. Number 53. In dash delusion, in which patient believes that his brain has been removed by aliens and unique brain is inserted with exceptional abilities. In reality, there is no evidence of this surgery. So this type of delusion is known as bizarre delusion. Bizarre delusions are those delusions that have no basis with reality, that are totally bizarre. Number 54. A delusion in which person believe that supernatural powers has removed thoughts from mind and new thoughts have been inserted in the mind. So this delusion is known as delusion of thought insertion and delusion of thought withdrawal. So the right option is D, both B and C. Number 55. An old man of 65 years came to hospital for checkup. During appointment with psychiatrist, he said that his thoughts are not under control and his thoughts are controlled by supernatural powers once he encountered them before few years. So what kind of delusion is this? This is known as delusion of control, when a person thinks that his thoughts, his mind is controlled by any other forces. Number 56. Decreased in reactivity to the environment is known as negativism. Number 57. When a person maintains rigid, inappropriate, and bizarre posture along with lack of verbal and physical response, this is known as both A and B. So when a person maintains rigid and inappropriate bizarre posture, it is known as stupor, and when a person lacks in verbal and physical response, it is known as mutism. So the right option is D, both A and B. Number 58. Purposeless and excessive motor activity without obvious cause is known as catatonic excitement. Number 59. Reduction in the expression of emotions of face, eye contact, annotation of speech, and movement of hands and head that are usually involved during speech is referred as diminished emotional expression. Number 60. Diminished speech output is known as alogia. Number 61. Decreased in motivated self-initiated activities is called avolition. When a person does not perform activities and does not involve in the activities, it is known as avolition. He lacks in interest in doing things and participating in activities. So this is known as avolition. Number 62. Decreased ability to experience pleasure is known as anhedonia. Number 63. Presence of two or more from delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, or catatonic behavior, and at least one from the first three. That first three are delusion, hallucination, and disorganized speech for at least 1 month but less than 6 months indicates which disorder? So this is the diagnostic criteria of schizophreniform disorder. Number 64. The diagnostic criteria of delusion disorder states that presence of one or more delusion for the duration of 1 month or longer. Number 65. Presence of one or more from delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, catatonic behavior. At least one from first three, and these first three can be from delusion, hallucination, and disorganized speech for at least 1 day but less than 1 month. So here the duration is 1 day to less than 1 month indicate which disorder. This disorder is known as brief psychotic disorder. You have to remember that brief psychotic disorder must have one or more from delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, or catatonic behavior for 1 day to less than 1 month. Number 66. Presence of two or more symptoms from delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, or catatonic behavior, at least one from first three for at least 1 month period, and signs persist for 6 months period indicate which disorder? The right option is schizophrenia disorder. When the symptoms persist for 6 months, it would be categorized as schizophrenia disorder, and for brief psychotic disorder, for duration is 1 day to less than 1 month, and for schizophreniform less than 6 months if the symptoms persist. So there is a difference of the duration as well as the number of symptoms that must be present from the first three that are delusion, hallucination, and disorganized speech. So you have to remember the duration of the disorder to remember all the categories of schizophrenia spectrum disorders. Number 67. Which of the following hallucination a patient can experience in schizophrenia? A schizophrenic patient can experience any hallucination that are mentioned in options, and these are auditory, gustatory, and olfactory hallucinations. So the right option is D, all of above. Number 68. Which of the following come under disorganized speech in schizophrenia? The right option is all of these. Disorganized speech include word salad, loose association, and derailment. So the right option is D. Number 69. In disorganized speech, the word clanging means individual communicate through rhyming words, but overall the words does not give any logical meaning. Number 70. In schizophrenia, diathesis stress model refers to which of the following? The right option is genetical, biological factors, and environmental stress that can lead to schizophrenia. So this model explains the causes of schizophrenia in relation to genetics and biological factors along with environmental factors. Number 71. Individuals who cannot infer the beliefs, attitudes, and intentions of others are said to lack in. This statement was given by a theorist, and the famous theory is related to schizophrenia, and this theory is known as theory of mind, in which he has stated that individuals or patients who cannot infer the beliefs, attitudes, and intentions of others are known as schizophrenics, and overall this theory is known as theory of mind. Number 72. According to psychodynamic theory of schizophrenia, psychosis is caused by regression to a previous ego state. So this overall situation or phenomena is known as primary narcissism, and primary narcissism basically indicates that person has regressed to a previous ego state. Number 73. Amphetamine psychosis is caused by increased production of dopamine activity. When a person intake high dose of amphetamine. Number 74. Antipsychotic drugs such as phenothiazines are used to treat schizophrenic symptoms by blocking the dopamine receptor sites and reducing dopamine activities. Number 75. The biochemical theory of schizophrenia indicate that schizophrenia is caused by excess dopamine activity. Number 76. Blood samples are collected in order to study inheritance patterns in families that have a member diagnosed with schizophrenia. This process is known as genetic linkage analysis. Number 77. First psychotic episode of schizophrenia is preceded by prodromal phase of schizophrenia lasting for weeks and years. Which of the following is not the symptoms of prodromal phase? The right option is delusions, as at the initial stage irritability, lack of emotional expression, sleep disturbance, and anxiety symptoms take place, so delusion is not a part of prodromal phase of schizophrenia. Number 78. A schizoid personality disorder shares a common clinical feature with schizophrenia. So what is it? It is asociality. Asociality is a symptom that is also present in schizoid personality disorder and in schizophrenia. So the asociality means person lack in interest with social activities and interacting with people. So this feature is present in both psychological disorders. Number 79. Antipsychotics or first generation antipsychotics are divided by potency from high, intermediate, and low. Which of the following is low potency medicine? The right option is thioredoxine. Thioredoxine is a low potency medicine. Number 80. In a patient with osteoporosis, an antipsychotic that doesn't raise prolactin level is desired. So which of the following is good choice? The right option is aripiprazole. Number 81. Which of the following antipsychotic contain high level potency? The right option is haloperidol. Haloperidol is known as high level potency medicine. Number 82. A patient with schizophrenia has a BMI stands for body mass index of 29. That means the patient is overweight. Which of the following antipsychotic will be a good choice? The right option is ziprasidone. Number 83. Akathisia is an extrapyramidal symptom of antipsychotic therapy. So akathisia means it's basically a movement disorder, and it makes a person hard to stay still, and person all the time need to fidget, and he usually walk in place, cross and uncross his legs, and his all the movements are not his under control. So apart from dose reduction, which of the following medication help to ameliorate this adverse effect? So this would be propranolol, and that would be effective to reduce the adverse effects of akathisia. Number 84. About relapse in schizophrenia, identification of triggers is important. Which of the following is the least likely trigger? The right option is low expressed emotion of caregivers is the least likely trigger. Number 85. In a patient with proven treatment-resistant schizophrenia, what is the drug of choice? In treatment-resistant schizophrenia, the best drug choice is clozapine. Number 86. Treatment-resistant schizophrenia is defined as little or no symptomatic response to at least 2 antipsychotic trials of treatment at therapeutic dose range and adequate trial of treatment duration. So, what is defined as adequate treatment duration? The right option is at least 12 weeks. If a person who has given antipsychotics for 12 weeks doesn't get better, so there would be another treatment would be given, and a different medication would be used that can be clozapine. Number 87. One of the problem of schizophrenia is the high rate of relapse of psychotic symptoms. What is the proportion of patients who may relapse within a year of being hospitalized? The right option is up to 35%. There are chances of relapse up to 35%. Number 88. Antipsychotics used in treatment of schizophrenia are heterogeneous compounds. They nevertheless share a common effect that is efficacious. So what is that? The right option is they all block D2 dopamine neuroreceptors. Number 89. Mental changes can occur with prescribed medications. Which of the following medication and the mental changes is correctly paired? The right option is levodopa and hallucinations. Levodopa is given for the patients to treat Parkinson's disease, and hallucinations are the prominent side effects of this medication. Number 90. Bipolar disorder with psychotic features is a differential diagnosis of schizophrenia. So which of the following supports a diagnosis of bipolar disorder? So here the right option is hallucinations. When hallucinations or delusions happens or occurs exclusively during major depressive or manic episode, the diagnosis would be given depressive or bipolar disorder with psychotic features. So hallucinations or delusions must present during the episode, and then bipolar disorder with psychotic feature diagnosis would be given. Other than that, it would be categorized, if hallucinations or delusions are present, then it would be categorized as schizophrenia. Number 91. About the symptoms that may be present in a patient with schizophrenia, which of the following symptom is least likely to be present? The right option is grandiosity. As hallucinations, delusions are present along with negative symptoms alogia, that is not compulsory that grandiosity type of delusion must be present in every patient. So the right option is D, grandiosity. Number 92. Dash is a mental health disorder that is marked by a combination of schizophrenia symptoms such as hallucinations or delusions and mood disorder symptoms such as depression or mania. So this disorder is known as schizoaffective disorder. As the name indicates, affective is related to mood. So depression or mania symptoms are present along with hallucination or delusion would be known as schizoaffective disorder. Number 93. Which of the following drug has been found consistently in clinical trials to reduce the negative symptoms of schizophrenia such as demotivation, self-neglect, and reduced emotions? So, till then that none of the medicine has been discovered to reduce or eliminate negative symptoms. So the right option is option D, none of the above. Number 94. Which of the following best reflects the evidence on the value of cognitive behavioral therapy and behavioral therapy in treating schizophrenia? The right option is the best available evidence suggests that CBT is not better than standard care at reducing relapse rates. As compared to other care that is given to schizophrenic patients, CBT, if provided, would be the better option that reduce relapse rates in schizophrenia patients. Number 95. Which of the following best reflects the evidence on olanzapine as a treatment for schizophrenia? As olanzapine is associated with fewer extrapyramidal adverse effects than the standard antipsychotics, then it reflects that it is the best for the treatment of schizophrenia. Number 96. A person calls and hits his neighbors. The next day he starts feeling that he is being followed by the police who may arrest him. He also feels that his neighbors are controlling him through radio waves. The diagnosis is delusion of persecution. Number 97. A person for the past 10 months has not been taking care of himself, laughed by himself, and walk about and talks about spiritualistic ideas alone in the room. The most likely diagnosis is schizophrenia. Number 98. A 22-year-old female hears voices asking her to do emphasizing things like sleeping with the person sitting next to her, and she does so. She is a schizophrenic on treatment with chlorpromazine for the past 10 years. The intensity of the voices decreases but persists. She is to be treated with clozapine. As clozapine is effective in management of the treatment-resistant schizophrenia, so clozapine would be recommended to treat that patient. Number 99. For DSM-5 diagnosis of schizoaffective disorder, specific mood symptoms must be present for at least what proportion of the total illness duration? So 50% of symptoms must be present of specific mood for the diagnostic criteria of schizoaffective disorder, along with positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia. And the last one is number 100. The phenomena in the schizophrenia known as downdrift means which of the following? So here, downdrift means a situation where a person becomes totally homeless, falling to bottom of social ladder. That indicates that he become totally independent on others and independently does not do anything, and he is unable to hold a particular job. That just because of a lot of disturbance can be seen in educational occupational areas because of irritability, lack of sleep disturbance, and wanted to stay isolated. So these all symptoms leads towards the first stage of schizophrenia, that is known as prodromal stage. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any query related to this topic, you can ask in the comments below. Thank you.